have the base on, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the eye. Even though we're on quarantine and lockdown and everything, I still wanted to do some fun makeup looks so that you guys don't get bored. I'm gonna get started with this color right here. It's a tan color and it's called Atlanta. And I'm gonna put this all over my crease. My brush just broke, which is another indication that, you know, I need to go buy some more. I was really hesitant on spending money during this quarantine, but some things I gotta get. I'm gonna take an angled brush and I'm gonna go into this brown color here. It's just a very nice soft brown. I'm gonna place this right in the same crease just to deepen it up a little bit. Can you see the depth coming in? You see it, you see it? You see it. I decided to pull out some of these loose pigments. I'm using this bright blue here. This is from Black Radiance and it's just basically loose eyeshadow or color pigment. And I'm also going to use this pink one here, also from Black Radiance. And it's just like a nice, it's not too much of a hot pink, but it's pink enough. I have not used eyeshadow pigment in a very long time, so I'm a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I think I wanna do blue in the center and then the pink on either side of it. It's literally just like powdered eyeshadow. And the color payoff is supposed to be greater than an eyeshadow. You guys like my nails? Look at my nails. Preco Nails, book her. I'll leave her information down in the description box. My beautiful foil ombre nails. Alright, so let's get started with the blue. Alright, so first what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some more concealer in the center. And just so that this can have something to stick to that's a little bit, you know, wet. Alright, I think that's good. Now I'm going to dip the other end of this brush into the pigment. Wow, that went on very nicely, and as you can see, it's super bright. I have just a little bit of fallout, not as much as I thought I would have, which is a very good thing. Alright, so I'm gonna stop right there for the blue. Now I'm gonna go back into the concealer and go ahead and conceal the front of the eye. Let's jump into the pink pigment. Ooh, so the pink pigment is even prettier. It has like a little like crystally shine to it. Super cute. Okay, I like this. It's cute. The pink one did not have that much fallout compared to the blue one. You could barely see where the pink is. So yeah, I really like this a lot. I don't know if I want to add more pink right there. I feel like that's going to be just a little bit tacky. Instead, what I think I want to do, I think I kind of want to blend the pink and the blue on the outer corner. So I got my little concoction right here, y'all. And I'm going to blend them together and put them both on the outer corner. And go back over the crease just to get that clean slate. And then with just the tan color, I'm gonna go under my brow bone. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then we're gonna go ahead and see what else we can come up with this look. Both eyes done. Whoop, whoop. Use my makeup wipe that I got from Ulta to wipe off all of the excess fall out off of my face. If you don't know about this, this is a makeup remover wipe. All you have to do is wet it, squeeze the water out, and it gets all the makeup off your face. It saves you a lot of money, so you don't have to keep buying the Neutrogena or whatever others makeup removers. This right here is bomb, and it's super easy to clean. Sometimes I just spray some makeup remover like soap and a little bit of like detergent, and I go in the sink and I just and it dries super fast. It'll be dry by the next morning. And like after every so many uses, I drop it in the washing machine. So if you don't know about this, get you one. It saves you a lot of money and it works super, super great. All right, so now that my face is back fresh, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this new face routine that I've seen on TikTok or whatever. So first let me go ahead and moisturize my face. I'm using my favorite little oil here. I've been watching a couple of different makeup artists that I really love, and I know that one of the best ways to like keep your makeup on all day is to set it before you put on your foundation. So after I put on my concealer, after I put on my primer and all that, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder and the color Mocha 360. So I'm just gonna press my brush in there and then go ahead and press it all in my face. And we're gonna see the difference between the two sides. And this is just supposed to keep your makeup matte and fresh all day. So let's take a look. Right here, you see all that nice glow. It looks a little, you know, moist. And over here, we look all matte and poreless. So that's what we're going for. We're not going for dewy because it's hot already outside. The sun will dew you up. Now let me go ahead and do the other side. And remember, I have yet to put on any foundation, so we're setting our primer into our skin, and so that when we put on our foundation, it's gonna have like a nice little matte base, you know what I'm saying? Look at that forehead side and this one. That shine gotta go. So if you're really oily, you should be doing this before you put on foundation. This is how we're looking. Very matte, very poreless, very cute. Another trend that I'm going to try out today, and I'm praying that it don't turn out to be whack because that will destroy my entire routine, is putting on concealer, highlighting under my eyes and forehead and nose and all that before I put on my foundation. Obviously, when you highlight, you're so used to seeing people do their foundation, then do the whole highlight effect. But today I'm going to try doing the highlight effect first over under my foundation. It's supposed to have like a really great outcome, so we're gonna see. And the thing is, you're supposed to kind of use a highlight that's a little bit lighter than your normal highlight because it's supposed to go through your foundation and like create this beautiful color. Y'all, I promise you, if I mess up, this video gonna get cut. So let's try this out. I'm using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in 35 Deep. This is the same concealer that I used as the base for my eyeshadow. As you can see, we are not family. This is not my cousin. This is probably like my step auntie from my daddy's side. But I mean, it's okay to try things, you know. If it messes up, but whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and start highlighting under my eye like I would normally do. Remember, I did not put foundation on yet. So, as you can see, I look a little crazy, but that's the point, apparently. I'm gonna let this dry down a little bit because another tip that I found that is supposed to be very helpful is letting your concealer dry just like a minute before you blend it out makes it have more full coverage because it's like more dry. Because when it's wet, you like move it around more than it's supposed to be moved. So all right, what y'all think I look like? You think I look like a hot mess? Ooh, whoa. I'm gonna get close so y'all can see what's happening up in here. I really hope this turns out okay. Let's see. I'm a little nervous. so weird. But I've seen people do it on TikTok now, and it came out looking really nice. So we're gonna keep the faith, all right? Ooh, child. I'm looking a lot, you know, looking a little pale, you know what I'm saying? But that's supposed to be how it's supposed to look in the beginning. Y'all, if this don't turn out right. Ooh, I got a cramp in my hand, y'all. Makeup take time, y'all. My hands be hurting. All right, now we're gonna take our foundation. I'm gonna take the Urban Decay All Nighter Liquid Waterproof Foundation. This little bad boy right here. And I'm gonna start off really small because this color is a bit darker for me. There's my little dabs. We're gonna blend her out. Not too shabby. Like makeup should look like. Well, this is something different. I need to put just a little bit more foundation on, but I'm bad. I like what it did. I can see what it was supposed to do, and I see that it did that. As you can see, this is where I didn't do it yet, but yeah, it doesn't look too bad. But let's keep going. Just one more little tiny coat all over the face. I'm only literally putting like these 3 little dots. So I'm not like caking my face up because ain't nobody got time. I like it. What y'all think? It don't look too different. The only thing is, now that I've covered the highlight, I feel like I need highlight. So that's the only weird thing about it, is like, I could see that there is highlight under. Don't get me wrong, I could see it, but now I feel like you can't, like you still need highlight. So yeah, I don't think that's going to be like a part of my face beat routine, because I feel like I now need to see it. You know what? I forgot. I need to set under my eyes. So maybe that will help the feeling of needing more highlight. So I'm gonna use my little crayon case setting powder and my beauty blender. I think this will help with the idea that, you know, it needs to look highlighted under the eye. Crayon case contour notebook. So I'm gonna actually spray some of my face mist on my face because I don't want to look like super dried out. I'm trying to decide whether I want to do like a winged liner or not. I feel like I shouldn't. I feel like I should just leave this look to be nice and airy. But then again, winged liner always just pulls the look together. So I don't really know what I'm supposed to do. You know what? We're gonna skip it. Let me get my mascara. So, for some reason, every time I do my mascara, my nose starts running. It's so annoying. It's been like this for years, and I keep thinking I'm the only one, but I actually know that there's other people that have said that it happens to them. Every single time I do my mascara, my nose starts running, and it don't just like run a little bit, it runs. That thing gone. It's so annoying. So if you see me sniffling for the rest of this video, it's because I just did my mascara. So annoying. The lashes I'm gonna be wearing, they're super cute, right? All right, there we go. Boom, bam, bam, bop, bada bop, boom. So I decided to use blue in the waterline instead of black because black is just a little bit too harsh for this look. As you can see, it's very spring. So that's a tip. If you want your look to be, you know, really cute but not too harsh, use blue liner or purple. Purple works really good too. Now I'm just taking a purple shadow and just going under the blue liner just to smoke it out a little bit. So I'm dragging it across the bottom. Y'all see it? It's cute, ain't it? I gotta hurry up my lashes. Ooh, I forgot them things was drying. All right, we're gonna come back to the lash in like a second. I'm gonna hurry up and do my lips, so by the time it's time to put my lashes on, we're okay. I'm gonna use MAC lip liner in the color Current. It's just like a burgundy, a very burgundy type lip liner. I really love it. It's perfect for ombre lips, which is what I'm looking for today. It's just like the perfect pink for me. And I'm just blotting it so that it can mix and create an ombre. And I'm gonna go right back in with the liner and just go over the line one more time. All right, let's get these lashes on. I'm gonna be using the Watch Me Blush palette from the crayon case. And I'm thinking about using Strawberries and Cream. I have never used this color for anything besides like an eyeshadow, but I'm gonna try it on as a highlight. First, let me put Tangerine, which is this orange color. I'm gonna put that down first. There we go. I have never put a color like this on as a highlight, so. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's so cute. This goes perfect because the colors are like all pink and cute and stuff like that. So this is really nice. Can you see it? You see her? She's really cute. Oh, Strawberries and Cream. All right, now it's time to set it and forget it. Woo! All right, let me let this dry and I'll be back to do my closing thought. All right, so this is the final look. I love it so much, y'all. As you can tell, I'm cheesing. Super appropriate for the spring season. Although we are stuck inside quarantining, it's all right. You can still beat your face, y'all. Don't go into a deep depression. Get up, get dressed, get cute, take some pictures, and go sit in the living room. All right, that's exactly what I'm about to do. I really do love this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's tutorial. As far as like the new way of doing things, I do like you know, setting your primer before you put on your foundation. That does make me feel super matte, not dry but matte, like I feel like in place. The concealer under the foundation, it was cute, but I don't see like it being like a major difference to how your foundation routine will turn out. I think it's gonna turn out just as the same pretty much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in, getting my views up. I am on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you're not subscribed yet, please do so. You got nothing else to do anyway, so you might as well subscribe. And thank you guys for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one. And if you haven't watched like my previous videos, go ahead and do that now because they're right here and they're right here. Might as well. Thank you guys for watching. Now watch me work in slow-mo.